Do you want to change how the liquid glass clock looks on your iPhone's lock screen, but you're not sure where the setting is or what it actually does? In this quick iPhone tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to adjust the new liquid glass slider, explain what liquid glass is, and why Apple added this option in the first place. Before we start, make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 26.2. This feature is only available on iOS 26.2, so if you're on an older version, you won't see these options. So let's get started. I'm on my iPhone right now, and the first thing you want to do is open the Settings app. From here, scroll down and tap on Wallpaper. At the top of this screen, you'll see your lock screen preview. Tap Customize under the lock screen. Now tap directly on the clock on your lock screen. This opens the clock customization menu. Before changing anything, let me explain what's happening here. Liquid glass is Apple's new design style in iOS 26. It makes things like the lock screen clock look slightly transparent, almost like glass, so your wallpaper shows through. On some wallpapers, this can look nice, but on others, it can make the time harder to read. That's why Apple added a liquid glass slider in iOS 26.2. Now, when you select the glass option, you'll see a new slider appear. This slider controls how transparent the clock is. If you move the slider one way, the clock becomes more clear and glass-like. If you move it the other way, the clock becomes more frosted and solid, making it easier to read. You'll see the change happen instantly as you move the slider, so you can stop when it looks right for your wallpaper. If you don't want the liquid glass look at all, there's also a solid option. Turning this on completely disables liquid glass for the clock and makes it fully opaque. Once you're happy with how it looks, tap Done in the top right corner to save the changes. And that's all you need to do. You've now adjusted the liquid glass clock on your lock screen using the new slider in iOS 26.2, making it either more transparent or more solid, depending on what you prefer. If this video helped you, feel free to like it and subscribe for more quick iPhone tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.